All right, we are here in the sub-basement of the School of Engineering. And of course, over there's the passenger elevator. Here's the freight elevator. All right, I'll go ahead and call it. Oh, here it comes. I don't know what brand of fixtures those are. That's innovation, I would think. Peely doors. Has peely doors. All right. Door close. Wow. Let's go up to 4. It's traction. Ooh, this is not a passenger elevator. Here we are at 4. Sub-basement. Oh wow, you can see up the elevator shaft. That's very amazing. Let's get a cab view. It's just your basic, typical freight elevator. Ooh, Class A loading, and meaning you can bring a cart in here. We're at sub-basement. And of course, as always with common courtesy, that's where we have to close the freight elevator doors when we're done. And there it goes, and that's it. Look at that. That is an amazing elevator. We'll ride the passenger one on as part of the same video. And here's the passenger elevator right next to the freight elevator. And this one is a ThyssenKrupp. Let's go up to level 4. Same indicator as the freight. Here are 4. And now we'll end the video on level M. All right, here we are at M. All right, and that's it.